see me hide my belly? You're very funny.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, how are you doing today? The video that we actually are posting is about what we're talking about discipline. Basically today, may I say wait, let me just roll this, Xavian was spoiled
What spoil do you mean?
by his father.
Kids are gonna be kids people. Just to be a little boy, just to be a boy thing.
By his father, and well, not just Xavian, but both Ty and Xavian are spoiled by Tally. I don't know, why Tally would sometimes talk, whatever with them, and then he feel bad, and then he just go right back to square one. But sometimes you have to have one of the parent that actually, go by the books, which is me. Sometimes Tally feel like me very harsh, I'm too militant, but it works. So today we had an issue where Xavian, he just no one listen. Like Xavian, you would tell Xavian, he was saying he wants some juice, and so you're getting water, and he said, really? Come on, water?
Juice is better.
Juice is better. Apple juice is better. And some people will give him apple juice. But today it wasn't even that. It was actually the fact that, he wouldn't listen. Like him just throw down himself and stuff like that, and then me get serious, cause me and say, yo, if this
that the really bad for you.
Yeah, like if him go to school,
yeah, we don't want
me don't want nobody fee.
Yeah, I'm ready for people if you not none her,
I write him off right then and there and say, boy, and yeah, this come from and whatever. So for the first time, I see Tally kind of feel like, wait a minute, like this really I go out of hand, like, and for the first time, I hear him go over me and say something, me hear him a stirring up, Anyway, I go see the video how this turn up kind of disappear, because when
people have to, versus when they're young, can't make it get too far for real. You always soft with them and pet them, but when you see them like take that for granted, she said, no man, but you're supposed to know if you listen when a time for joke. I sometimes you run joke and then say something and you laugh or, but then if you know when I'm not laughing time.
And both of we have to always depend on the same page. So Tally finally figure say, boy, when he did really listen to Xavian, he really say, boy, Xavian really I get out of hand for true. So me sit down there, me as a woman, people may tell you the truth. And me say discipline. I can't even tell you the reason why I'm so disciplined with my son, because, it go down in some things in my life where I don't really want to highlight. Arguing up people in highlight on my channel. You understand? But me definitely need the boys them for be disciplined and for always grow up knowing that, yo, you can't take mommy for idiot. And me tell you, say, yo, respect. You have to make your kids them respect you. You want soft with them and rate it, but me respect you still, because you go out there, you play with them, you still try to be that father figure for them at all times. But sometimes you have to make them know, say, yo, my father, and respect and whatever, because they will take a feed that. Definitely will take a feed. Trust me, and him will ball and go on. But me know people, me I tell you, me I stand firm like the Rock of Gibraltar. And he know saying he can't do it with me. So say we all do people, and we ask me for something, And I tell him no. You know what he do? Go to his father. And then Tally no knowingly now. Me I say wait I go on, and Tally with it, and I said, so me not just give him. And then I see Zay smart little boy. So today now both are with dead on pan him today now. And he saying he have no other choice. So he sit down in the chair now. And then didn't know, and he really, because people basically, say if you're consistent with your child and make them know, say, hey, yeah man, them are gonna listen, Them I go listen, me take him off for the punishment. Him go there and, you know, him start play with Talia, and as you can see, I go see how it will like play out and whatever. But basically, you know, me just feel like we could have shared that moment with you guys, you know. And, you know, for make you understand, say sometimes not everything we not go on the kids and on have to love them, but
and make them understand the difference between when a time for no fun and joke and when a time for certain things we keep inside, time for listen, time for act according, you know, show manners, show respect. Yeah.
People tell you,
right, we get from bad to worse.
Very bad to worse. Very bad to worse. And I may applaud you today for actually, you know, step up because more wild people.
No, I still feel away, you know.
Me know, me see it.
Because I'm a ball. You know, when the kids are a ball,
yeah.
You know, you feel a look away.
Me don't feel no way.
Paula don't feel no way as long
people,
as I right.
Yeah, Joe.
Paula don't feel no way.
People, yes, if I'm not hungry, not doing me body good. You know the only thing me think my kids then can take set for me with?
Food.
No. Food, yes. But you see if anything do them people?
Yeah, they're sick.
Then
you feel away.
Lord Jesus, people be gone like a kite. You get the softness, everything out of me then time there. But you see when it comes to discipline.
You know, so your heart and your belly full.
You know me time. People, me will send Zia in bed. I me hear me on their ball. People, me not look. People, me not even shift. This one here, me see my get up. Me say, hey, sit down, man. Make it, you see one side of pay him the mind, people, and you left him in punishment. Cool, man.
I'll jump fast asleep.
Because guess why now you want ball attention, him a look, you know. If you come around, if you come ball out, people me tired. Me not balling out. Right now, I know how to get to Zay now. You know? You just catch him somewhere, tell him to take a bubble.
Yeah, just stay one place.
What?
Full of energy.
If he full of energy,
yeah, just stay one
he don't know how to just sit down and just be. And just easy. So I have to train him up right here. So, and, you know...
He start from the home.
He start from the home. And you know, Auntie Buzzy tell me, say, Paula, you are the military one. And Charlie are the soft one. Make it stay right, lad. Because both of them can militant. So to them, I actually say, hey, it no matter what, Charlie still going to be who him be. But I just appreciate the fact that they actually dip on the page with me. Still mushy and whatever. But you're still, because of that them have to say, we dip on one accord.
Definitely.
You understand? So they won't, you know, take advantage about away. You understand? Because trust me, people then will do it. They will come over here, so come ask, and then you do over here, so don't know what go on, and then you go do something, and you know, you cause contention between the two of them smart. And trust me, uno probably say, look, Xavier, trust me, uno don't want to have a conversation with Xavier and your Xavier behavior. You went to tell me what they, Mommy, me and you, we're going to make a deal.
Yeah.
Me say, excuse you? We're going to make a deal. If I do this, right, you will give me this. Me say, wait a minute. Or we come home from school and say, Mommy, I was good today.
You proud of me?
So you proud of me? And I say, yeah, we of course.
Listen for what come next.
Yeah, so can I play Roblox? I mean, I want him to feel like, say, him need for the good, to be rewarded.
Every time
he do something, you know, it is expected of you to be good.
Yeah.
So me can't reward you every time. You understand what I say? So they want something, he can't just be good just so. I know, so I want him to be good, you know, and he know he's supposed to be good. But he just want to say, alright then, Mama, you're not proud of me, alright then, give me something then. You know, trigger me for it. Me say, no, we're not, you're watching TV, no, in vex. People, you want to see me, no? You know, not talking, Talia talk to him. What you eat today? You eat breakfast this morning? No. Didn't tell the boy eat breakfast, you know? Boy, eat breakfast, people. So people, at the end of the day, this goes to show. I hope you guys, you know, take a little, you know, because we are learning too. You understand? But me just know me know say me is a mother and me must be loving and me must this and that and whatever the case may be, people. But me so invested in making sure that these kids get. Me no want a friend. Me sorry. I don't want no friend from my kids them. Me other parent them. I don't want a friend. I want to come and do what I do. And with me, of course, me I go appreciate them and I go tell them, say, good job, and I go this and that. But guess what? I still want them to know, say, hey, moving on to the next level. They have tally for that. Tally with the yeah man, tally a sweetie pie and whatever business. Me know that we listen at this we are gonna do and at this we are gonna do and at that we are gonna do. You understand? So people, after this video you're gonna see, you know, them playing and me sorry me never put the camera where all of us start playing in the backyard and whatever the case may be, but me never inhide it kinda, you know. So big up on yourself and please remember if you wanna reach this far guys,
like,
come on now. Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah,
and with the pandit, the road to 10,000.
Comment too, you know?
We don't comment them, the negative, the bad, and everything. We love them same way.
Yeah,
everybody have them own.
still
a give we have, you know, a watch.
The watch. Still a participate, so
we still appreciate it and we still take whatever I want to say in consideration. You know, when I bash on or whatever, because we put ourselves out there, you know, so.
Good criticism and bad criticism.
Yeah,
you know?
so you go.
We just take the good and the bad
and
improve whatever we work on and just push forward here.
Yeah. Alright, guys.
TG gang, you know?
Military gang.
Valley side.
Safi people. Yeah, and militant over here, so. Yes, alright. Actually, me eat people, make my belly so big. That's why I just put the pillar here, so because I know the ear when me say that.
In
the middle and in the front of the video, it say why you hide your belly big.
Cut it out.
Me nah cut it out, me nah edit it. Later, guys, I'll see you again. Alright?
See you in the next video.
The left breast. If it come to your right, you know say it's a right breast. Don't push up the center of your chest. That will damage it. Sorry.
You know, so today, the reason why Xavier is not out here is because Xavier have a tendency to not listen. Xavier is over here sitting right here.
Yes, that's what you're going to feel every time.
Not listening because he doesn't like to have punishment. But you know what we do at all times, we ensure that sometimes you have to be uncomfortable. Sometimes you have to be uncomfortable because guess what? That's how it is sometimes.
Come on, kick up a kick and try to touch the fence like you say. Try to score up on the fence like move that. No, I bet you try this one. Yeah. It's like they are score up on the fence with Zay. Cool.
John was tie?
No, I'm not score up there.
John was tie? You're not good.
Can't score up on Zay.
John, oh, yeah. Really, babes?
Can't feel, huh?
Wow. Yeah, you're saying a little fit go by people and players. You have call somebody, babes. You have to call somebody. Not what me to know, because dog will run out. No, you need a lower foot. Go Ty. Go on again, Papa. One that you're gone. You know Ty, you're not even try for sight.
Go for this one.
Do.
Alright. That's an offense.
Offense.
Board, boss.
Nice same thing.
At the same stop. Same place, say, oh,
Settle thief. Babes!
yeah, where are you?
What you kick is eye for? You nearly go over there again. Jesus. You behave like a big failure there.
You have to kick them with the dip.
Jesus! Right over there, right?
Stop push the ball.
Babe, stop your foolishness.
I say you have to master the technique. See like come back there?
Mire! You see how Uno kick it on it?
Who know what? I just come out. Let me that go.
Ah, true.
You know,
And me make it
you
up
make me
more.
not reach there.
And me make move. No more.
You want me to reach there?
Me not even record it something good. Jesus! One to your babes.
Let me go to eye for it.
A World Cup you there?
I think I watch it, son.
What me just say, Davy and there?
It's on watch.
What me saying there? In the chair.
But I can't help it. One thing that you
Watch it.
notice? One, anytime it got this up, you know, catch it good like how you want to catch it. Anytime I catch it good, I don't do right, this is them I go. Just look how I can't put my ball anyway.
Watch I know. Jesus. Ah, control.
You see? Come like you can't go there, so go stand up.
Control tie. Aye. You have 5 minutes. Come right here, sir.
Ah, you see it? At least it don't go over this.
You have 5 minutes.
You have to block my ball in front. See that? Two sides.
Let me tell you something. You have to learn to listen. Because if you don't listen, mommy will punish you still.
Yes, no matter if you try. Are you put yourself in that punishment? Come. So mommy give you a chance, so stand up there. So stand up right at the board. Right where mommy at. I don't want to go down there so we tie. No, listen what mommy said. Mommy said stand up right there. Stay
No,
right.
ain't good now. Wait, but if he's still a cry, no good then.
What's that, man? What did I learn this evening? Tell me what I learned. About what mama and daddy say.
Sounds.
No, not at school. What did you learn about what mommy and daddy told you?
Listen.
Good job.
Good job.
Right?
Of course. My spoiler.
Alright, leave it practice.
No. You can't play, no? I'm not in the
You
pan
can't
of
play?
punishment. Yeah.
Alright, go on a tie. You can tie the fan side.
So you have to deal with them people. And learn to listen.
You and Xavier on the fan side. Come here. Come, ready.
Easy to go.
Kick now.
Def? Def?
I kick quick still a kick.
You see a football man ready to play.
No night that time.
I mean, man come down for tally like man come down for your wicked babes, talk truth.
Yeah, man.
Tally say wait. Yes man.
Try score then.
Nope. I can do this easy.
Easy. Ah, no. No.
Nope.
My bad.
Watch out boy, them a score upon their father people.
Oh.
Boy ba, watch out. Def?
No, no, but about it.
Of course, the man they score. You see, I still.
Let's see if it's
Watch out, tally wicked. Babes! Def, man, me not even catch that. Sure. Man, save the ball a while ago. No, man, Tariq, you have to go in a football, man. Goal! Watch out, watch Tally, watch Tally.
Come,
I can't believe I'm not record this good, yo.
No.
That's cheating. No! No! I don't see that.
Hmm?
I don't see that.
What you say?
See that, huh?
See that? See your team then.
So you left your brother and both team, Dada? Oh, that makes sense. Goal! No, man, look how man and make you drop a ground.
Yeah, man, pretty.
Hey! Save, good save, my boy, good save.
Okay, yeah, shot.
Seal it, Nazir.
Come on, come.
Seal it, Papa, seal it. Watch her. Really, Zay?
Well, come on.
Don't get so hard.
Aye, control. Goal! Watch Tally, people, watch Tally. Like our real match in there. What's it? Score, Nazir! Goal! Look how Zay score up on your base. This I go up on YouTube, you know? No, man, this I go up on YouTube. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Woo, goal! Lord Jesus. Right over there again. Oh, Jesus, people. Tally foot powerful. Catch it, Nazir. Goal.
No.
That a thief, miss now. More from there, you should have wait. You're wicked. That not score your time.
Yeah, brother, the pan side now, say. Pass the ball, the brother too.
Aye, control time. Score now. Def.
Yeah, brother, the pan side. Brother, pass.